Hey, good day, guys. Alright, welcome back to another episode. I'm here in the beach, Tasmania, Australia. As you can see, the weather is not good. It's not sunny and just cloudy, but I came here because air is fresh. It's Sunday evening and let's see what people do for their weekends in Australia. Let's go, mate! Woo! Hey, have you seen this kind of bread? Wow, just smile. I will try to have this. That is sweet cream. I don't know. I have no idea about this cream, but it's so sweet. Oh man, this is so good. You guys have no idea how good that is. Look at them. They are Australian seagulls. Hey yo, you want this? You want this? Woohoo! Don't fight, don't fight. That's noisy, man. They want something from me. What do you want? What do you want, mate? I have nothing for you, mate. Oh, they're so cute. Look so cute. Sorry, this is for myself, not for you, mate. Oh, this is for me, not for you. Sorry, mate. Alright, one thing I like of Australia is if you go to the park or if you go to the beach, there are free barbecue facility here. Is all for free. If you start button, you can cook your barbecue here and with your family or friends. This is nice and clean. Yeah, somebody clean every day. And here there is a table. There's awning just in case the rain, rubbish bins, and there is a beach, toilet. If you stay in Australia, you can use this for free, totally for free. Yeah, it's cool. I like this. Grass is beautiful, fresh air, everything is free for you. Everything. Just come here, stay here, enjoy your life, enjoy your weekends. This is an absolutely, good place for family, So we moved today and we can find what's happening there. Look at this beautiful beach and some seagulls and birds and beautiful sky. Oh, look at that, let's go. This is rubbish. I will put this in my pocket. And hey guys, if you came nice place, just clean up yourself, This is not good. And look at this, another one. If you see there has been just 10 meters away. So just you guys make sure you clean up yourself if you come this kind of nice place for our next generation. Just to find the loudest tears. But we didn't know that yet. What a beautiful weather. What a beautiful day. It's good. It's good. How's mate? Good mate. So we walking to the beach and yeah, windsurfing, guys. Look at this. This is the sick. Look at this. Whoa. Wow. It's a huge. Wow. What a beautiful nature. Woo. When we walked along the beach, we found a group of people. They were dancing with salsa music. They looked so cool. They were from Utah's Salsa Dance Society. People were really nice. They asked me to join dancing. At first time I hesitated, but I decided to join it. How I feel? It was fantastic. I really enjoyed the time. Show me your dance. This is a free class.
So normally they dance on a Monday night at the Mavis house next to the library. We'll have a look on their website.
Yeah, I will go to the website and I will search some information. Which time is suitable for me?
In fact, the girl dances fashion teacher. She's a Tango teacher.
Yeah.
Very good information.
Yeah, she's good. Yeah, she's good. Thanks for information. Oh, look at this rainbow. That's amazing. That's surprising. Unbelievable, man. Look at that. Alright guys, that's it for another episode. If you like it, give it thumbs up. If you want to see more, subscribe. That's about it. Enjoy your day. Bye.